Assalamualaikum, greetings of peace. This is a special message for all my loved ones, my family, my friends, my supporters, and the people I look up to and who look up to me as their sister Farina or Auntie Farina. This is an important special announcement. I, as the youth mentor, always am focused on youth empowerment, on youth support, youth transformation. And today I would like to mention one special organization that I'm now part of, Alhamdulillah, is I3 Institute. And I would like all of you who are listening to me, who support me, who trust me, and who actually trust in my work to do support I3 Institute. Go to i3institute.ca and donate. Because I3 Institute, if you look at their website, I cannot emphasize enough on the need of their work in our community today. It's very important that we understand and we actually follow, support this organization, because this organization, in my very active, dedicated partnership, Alhamdulillah, is actually focused on building a center for youth, a center for Muslim youth, by Muslim youth, because I3 Institute is also amazingly focused on dawah. They have river care, they have faith crisis, they have sisters program, they have youth empowerment program, and an amazing program called Young Dai program. It's not your regular Islamic program to teach tafsir, to teach tajweed, to teach Islam, or actually make the youth memorize Quranic ayahs or daily askar. It's a program that focuses on leadership development and transformational empowerment of our youth. I3 Institute is focused on teaching youth why they are Muslims, how they are Muslims, and why do they have to become the leaders of tomorrow by transforming their lives, their brains, their hearts today. And I would like to invite each and every one of you to support this organization for me as my special request. As your sister, as your auntie, this is my utmost request and request to you to actually support this organization with your dedicated volunteering, with your money, with your volunteer support by promotion, any kind of support that you can provide. Join I3 Institute. Go to i3institute.ca. I will also post some of the other details under the link of this video, inshallah, and I will also provide information. If you need to talk more about it, if you need more information, don't forget to write me, don't forget to email me, and don't forget to tell me. And I can answer all the questions. I joined I3 as a parent who was concerned about their youth, who was worried about their youth and their akhirah. When I joined, I could not detach myself from I3 Institute. Why? Because this dedicated organization is so focused on building the leaders of tomorrow. Alhamdulillah, I'm a mother of 3 daughters. Alhamdulillah, I could not be happier with my community service than today. Alhamdulillah, I support I3 Institute, and I would like to invite all of you to do so with your sadaqah, with your khairat, with any kind of donations you can give to help us build that youth center and help us transform the lives, the minds, and the hearts of our youth today, who is actually completely lost, disenfranchised, and completely detached from Islam and you as a parent. Inshallah, support and spread this message. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. May Allah bless you.